bracelets stay in your goodie bags. Well, the pictures we took over there will be on the Roxo website, and you can get a charm of it and add it to your bracelet for free. Now we're going to get some.
Oh my gosh, no, don't do that. 3 seconds. Oh my god, stop. Look at them.
Not we all. Hello. Hey, yo, check. Hey, yo, check. Did I actually speak?
Is it time?
I was worried it was like stuck there for a second. I was like,
Hey.
I like breakfast.
yeah. Oh, here we go.
Are you ready over there with the funny joke? Are you sure? What about you?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to sign off? Last time you weren't ready.
Went out with the guys, and before my eyes, there was this girl, she looked so fine. She blew my mind, and I wish she was mine. And I said, hey, wait up, cause I'm on to speak to her. My friend said, never come out again. I never come back again. Never see the end. She looked at me, and the fantasy said, girl, never gonna get that. Jimmy D said, cause you're never gonna get that girl. Never gonna get the girl. We spoke for hours. She took off my trousers. And we had fun, and my friends always done. Yeah. Dude, she's amazing, and I can't believe you got that girl. My friend said she's amazing, she can't believe you got that girl. She's amazing, I tell her to go say girl. She's amazing, how can I forget? Yeah, she rocks my world. She's amazing, more than any other girl. She's amazing, I can't believe you got that. Dude, she's amazing, and I can't believe you got that girl. I can't believe you got the girl. But 3 days later, went round to see her, but she was with another guy. I said fine, but I never asked her why. It's just that loneliness has been a friend of mine. My friend said, sorry that you got that girl. Sorry that you got that girl. Sorry that you got that girl. Now won't you ask my wife? Such a pity, and I'm sorry that you lost that girl. And I'm sorry that you lost that girl.